This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals. I'm on the lesson Binary Images with Artist, Puzzle 9. Let's see. Finish the code to create the drawing. What do we have so far? Keep in mind for these, 0 is off. 0 means off. 1 means on. 1's on. 0 for a computer is false. 1 is true. 0's off. 1's on. So far, I was like, well, we have it. But we almost, okay. Interesting. So on our next line, let's just go line by line. We have, and again, 0 is off, 1 is on. So this square is off, so that's a 0. And then this next square is on, so that means 1. And then this square is off, so 0. On, 1. Off, 0. On, 1. Off, 0. On, 1. So that should be that square, that one. Let's test it. Got it. Now the next square is, the next line's a bit different. Let's do less. It is this line, 0 first because it's off, then on, then off, then on, off, and then the very last square in it is on. Okay, now let's do the next line. So this one just has the second one as a 1 and the very last as a 1. All of this is off. So it will be 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay? And then our final line has 1, 0, and then it's all going to be 1s because the rest of it is on. I think that looks so small. We'll give it a shot. Let's find out if I mess something up. But it worked. Awesome. Onward.